Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make these frilly shoelaces. They are inspired by a Mexican brand called Miniana. I saw them on Pinterest and I found them to be very cute and I wanted to make something like this. So they were my main inspiration. I will link them down below so you can check them out to see if you like their stuff. The materials I'm using are a large chiffon ribbon, a thin satin ribbon and shoelace aglets. I start by burning all the edges of the ribbon so it doesn't fray. I gathered the trim using a gather fit. I changed the stitch length to 4 and the tension to 9. You can see more on my how to make a ruffle trim video. In order for the trim to be able to be used as shoelaces, we need to add a thinner ribbon for strength. I'm using a twin needle here for a better long-term resistance. Using pliers, add shoe aglets to the lace. Your shoelaces are now done. I'm adding them to my boots with the thin lace facing inwards, but you can add them the way you like them the most. Here are some ways to style your laces. You can make them longer or shorter for different effects. Have fun